Step 1. Removal of the factory chin splitter. Properly support the vehicle to access the underside of the vehicle. Remove and discard the 6 8mm bolts. Remove the remaining 11 7mm bolts and save for later use. Pulling down and sliding back, remove the lower closeout panel. Remove the 2 7mm bolts from the inner wheel well. Repeat on the opposite side. Using a suitable trim tool, remove the 3 plastic push pin retainers below the fog lamp. Repeat on the opposite side. Depress the 6 plastic tabs to remove the factory chin splitter. Step 2. Modification of factory chin splitter. Cut the 6 tabs flush with the spoiler. Measure and mark the factory chin splitter 18.5 inches inward from each end of the splitter. Using a straight edge, draw a line perpendicular to the back edge at the 18.5 inch marked location. Draw a line to highlight the bottom edge of the front splitter. Using a straight edge, draw a line at the marked location perpendicular to the edge of the splitter. Repeat on the opposite side. Follow the marked line with an air saw. Repeat on the opposite side. Discard the 2 cut-off pieces. Install the 6 J-clips on the recessed portion of the new ROUSH splitter. Remove and discard the 8 factory U-clips from the lower portion of the fascia. Step 3. Installation. Install 8 J-clips in place of the 8 plastic factory clips previously removed. Temporarily install the ROUSH chin splitter using 3 screws provided in the hardware kit. Using the ROUSH splitter as a template, mark the 6 hole locations, 3 on each side. Remove the ROUSH splitter. Using a 1/8 pilot bit, drill the 6 chin splitter retaining holes. Proceed with a 1/4 inch drill bit to fully open the holes. Install 6 J-clips included in the hardware kit. Install the ROUSH chin splitter using the 6 J-clip locations and screws included in the hardware kit. Torque to 5 Newton meters, or 44 inch-pounds. Install 2 screws included in the hardware kit into the notched areas of the factory splitter. Remove and discard the 6 J-clips from the closeout panel. Install the closeout panel. The panel installs between the factory splitter and the ROUSH splitter. Install 6 new screws into the center front portion of the closeout panel. Install the remaining 11 takeoff screws into the closeout panel and factory chin splitter. Install 2 takeout fender splash shield screws. Repeat on the opposite side. Congratulations, you have completed the installation of your new ROUSH Performance Products 2013 Mustang chin splitter.